Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey, what's up, 1428 family? It's Andre Brown here to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. Listen, I'm just going to jump in with this video because I know a lot of you are like, what the GameStop, what the AMC, what the Robinhood? If you looked at my videos in the last 2 days, I've been talking about the impact of the stock squeeze. What does that truly mean? But then also some of the things as far as some of our companies and things we should invest in. I'm going to be shooting more videos that talk about some plays that you definitely either want to stay in or you want to get into. But for my people out there that was in the SD and L play, I told you that it was going to pop and it started to pop. Now, depending on if you wanted your profit or if you weren't able to get in, that all depends on what side of the coin you want. Make sure you throw that in the comment section and let me know what happened. I know some of you in the comment section was like, this stock has been the lowest stock. It hasn't really been moving. It's on the move, right? Again, this channel is all about trying to bring information to you, but also get information from you. So speaking of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, but then also leave some comments. Let me know how your day went. I know a lot of us are in Robinhood. So what I wanted to do for this video is listen to the Robinhood CEO. His name is Vlad Tenev. I didn't even know the CEO's name. So again, as I'm learning more about Robinhood, these companies, investing, stock squeezes, all the lingo, I wanted to bring this to this channel. So this is going to be my first time listening to this interview. So let's check it out together.
The CEO of Robinhood, Vlad Tenev, is with us right now, and we appreciate you joining us on a day where there are so many questions. And as Melissa just said, there are, frankly, as you know, a lot of angry customers out there and a lot of questions about what took place and the decisions that you made.
So this is kind of going to be a reaction because this is my first time hearing it. There's a lot of angry customers. Let me know if you were mad and why were you angry. Throw in the comment section. For me in the beginning, I was more so angry that I couldn't get into more plays. I know my SDNL play, I wanted to increase my shares, but I wasn't able to because that was my plan in the morning, but they didn't allow me to. But they did allow me to sell. So I was angry in the beginning, but then after that, I kind of just settled. So again, let me know how you felt.
To limit so many of your customers' ability to buy stocks like GameStop, questions about whether you have a liquidity problem, whether you're trying to protect them from themselves, whether Citadel did this. Explain what happened today.
Yeah, before he goes, that was one of the things that I was trying to figure out, the protect you from yourself kind of understanding, because we know a lot of people lost in GameStop, right? And a lot of people lost even in AMC. So was he trying to protect us from ourselves? Because if you lost, maybe depending on who you are, you know, sometimes people have that revenge mentality and they want to go back in. Maybe you tried to go back in and you weren't able to get back in. So it'll be interesting to see what he has to say. Let's check it out.
Thank you for having me on the show again, Andrew. So what happened today was, as you pointed out, we had to make a very difficult decision. It's been a challenging day. We made the decision in the morning to limit the buying of about 13 securities on our platform. So to be clear, customers could still sell those securities if they had positions in them, and they could also trade in the
Tootsie? I didn't even know that. Is this Tootsie Roll? I didn't even know that that was one of the ones that was halted. I know I received the little Robinhood message, but that's interesting. Let me know in the comment section, what were some of the plays that you were in? For me, I was in Express. I was in SNDL. I was also in Naked. I'm still in those plays. I'm in those plays, but let me know some of the plays that you were in.
Thousands of other securities on our platform. So it was a difficult decision, and that's what we had to do as part of normal operations.
But explain then why.
A part of normal operations. This wasn't normal. Well, at least for me. I don't know how long you've been in Robinhood, but I haven't experienced that. So let's see if he talks about what normal operations.
Why did you do this? What, did the SEC call you and tell you you had to do this? Was there a problem inside the company in terms of liquidity, in terms of the amount of deposits that you had to put it in front to the exchanges? What led to this?
Sure, and let me explain exactly how this works. First of all, I want to address some of the misinformation that's been out there because there's a lot of it. We absolutely did not do this at the direction of any market maker or hedge fund or anyone we route to or other market participants. The reason we did it was because Robinhood is a brokerage firm. We have lots of financial requirements, including SEC net capital requirements and clearinghouse deposits. So that's money that we have to deposit at various clearinghouses. So some of these requirements fluctuate quite a bit based on volatility in the markets, and they can be substantial in the current environment where there's a lot of volatility and a lot of concentrated activity in these names that have been going viral on social media. So we're really in unprecedented times. And
he said it. A lot of these names that have been going viral on social media, right? So YouTubers like myself and other ones out there that's letting you know things that you should jump into and why has caused the impact in the market. And he just said that's an issue, right? So it'll be interesting to see what happens after that, because for me, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop trying to inform you of things that I think you should invest in, or you should at least consider, because I am learning myself. But how does Robinhood prepare to address that? I think that's going to be interesting to know.
In order to protect the firm and protect our customers, we had to limit buying in these stocks. And to be absolutely clear, Go ahead.
But it sounds to me, though, that you're suggesting that there was a liquidity problem inside the firm. And my question about that then raises all sorts of new questions about whether there's a systemic issue underneath the system and underneath the company unto itself.
No, there was no liquidity problem. And to be clear, this was done preemptively. So we did this proactively. And thousands of other securities remain tradable on the platform. Customers that held these positions were able to sell them. And we're doing what we can to allow buying and to remove these restrictions in the morning. But also, you might have seen Robinhood.
So before he goes on, they're trying to remove them by tomorrow morning. So think about that. Think about your plan and your strategy as it pertains to tomorrow if they allow you to buy. I'm assuming a lot of people are going to jump in, which means a lot of these prices are going to go up. I know some people are boycotting Robinhood, but if you're currently in some of these plays, you might want to stay in and then ride the wave up.
It has been the number one app in the App Store overall. So we have seen unprecedented interest due to the fact that finance has been culturally relevant in a way that hasn't been before, and these stocks are going viral on social media. And I think it's really interesting to juxtapose against some of the other questions that we've been having before this. Of course, Robinhood stands for everyday investors. From the very beginning, we have stood for investors, opening up access and giving them the ability to trade commission-free in whatever they want. And we've gotten a lot of criticism that, maybe there should be more restrictions. So it pains us to have had to impose these restrictions, and we're going to do what we can to enable trading in these stocks as soon as we can.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching.
Y'all did
CNBC
not just hit me with
on YouTube.
Oh, no, y'all didn't. So it's clear that they hit us with in the interview moment. So hopefully you can go and search the rest, because it's getting good. I'm about to go and find the rest of this interview because they're saying some important stuff. First and foremost, Robinhood was created, from what he's saying, as an open access platform to provide more relevancy, culturally relevancy to finance. He mentioned those words, but how is it in action and operation? So again, let me know in the comment section what you think. Again, I'm about to go find the rest of this interview that was done with CNBC. It's going to be a crazy day tomorrow and next week for all that matters. Let me know some of the plays that you probably got kicked out of or you didn't get kicked out of, you weren't able to get into. But let me know what you're trying to do as it pertains to next week. I'll let you know in the next video I'm about to shoot, my plan for tomorrow and next week. But again, hopefully you like this video. Share this video. Let me know if you also are boycotting Robinhood. Hopefully not. Hopefully you see that tomorrow. It may be an opportunity for you to get an increase. But again, it's your money, your choice, your decision. And if you like this video, best believe you're going to see me in the next one. Peace.